Wow, this is so artsy right now. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to episode number 2. Today we're going to be doing something completely different from the last episode. We're going after a completely different species. We're going to go freshwater fishing after peacock bass. Me and Grace Grace and I do have a really good peacock bass fishing spot, but we're not going to go there today. We want to try finding a new spot. So we have a couple things mapped up right now and we're going to go to them. But I don't really know how this morning's going to go, but I have a feeling we're going to get some good fish no matter what happens. So I hope you guys enjoy episode number 2, which starts right now. You look ready to catch some fish right there. Ooh, do it again, do it. Ooh. Alright, spot number 2 off the main road. Someone needs to catch a fish. I don't care who, we just need to catch peacock. Wow, that was a big carp. Just swam right under my jig when I casted it. And another massive carp right there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Peacock. Peacock. Yes! No, he came up. No! 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh! Oh, I hope the GoPro got all that. Oh my God. Holy crap. Holy crap, I'm like shaking right now. I'm shaking. Did you guys see that? Look, I'm bleeding. I tried everything I could to save that from not happening. Oh my God. Wow, that hurts right there, man. We've been fishing so hard. That hurts. Look at that. That's cool. Wow, I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking at a huge carp over there. I was just staring at it like an idiot. God damn it. What's up, guys? I wanted to give one quick announcement. So this video today is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. If you don't know who Mystery Tackle Box is, then you've been missing out. They're an unbelievable company. You can get baits for really, really cheap. They're great customer service, everything all around. It's unbelievable. And if you don't know what a Mystery Tackle Box is, I'll put in a clip right now. These are all the boxes that I have currently with me in Florida because I use them for literally anything. They're an amazing company. You get boxes sent to your house, one box every single month, filled with different baits that match the time of year, new fishing technology, everything. They're unbelievable. I've been supporting them for over a year now. I got in communication with them and they decided to sponsor me. So guys, go support them. They're unbelievable. You will not regret it. Click the link in the description below. It will be the first link, and that link will lead you to getting your first box for as little as $5 with the code of Becca. This is the code right here on the screen. All you have to do is use that code. You can get your first box for as low as $5. That's absolutely crazy. They decided to help me and help you guys by giving me this code. So go ahead, go support them, or even just go check them out because you will not regret it. So I hope you guys decide to check them out. And now it's time to go get fishing. So, a big peacock? A big peacock?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay. Like huge?
Like ginormous.
Where?
You're just circling around right there. I only see him when he comes into the sun. He's a monster.
Dude, he went after my jig and then he stopped. Grace, he went after my jig.
Dude, he's insane.
He's massive. I have a bird's nest. I gotta do something about that. Dude, he's so big. He swirled on my jig like he wants it. Leave it to Becca to get a bird's nest when this happens. Oh my God, he did it again. Got him. Got him. Yes! Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God. Calm down. Oh yeah, that's a female. All right, We just landed this peacock right here. This is just a nice female. Look how beautiful this fish is. All I'm using right now, hold on, let me get it for you guys. So all I'm using right now is just this white jig with a white craw on it. There's a little bit of red on it, but I'm trying to imitate like just a shad. And this is exactly what it was supposed to do, is catch a fish just like this. This is awesome. This is what I traveled all the way to Florida for, was this fish right here. Wow. All right, we're gonna get a picture and we're gonna let this guy go back. Oh my God. All right, we got our picture. Oh my God, man. People in Florida are so lucky to catch these fish. Unreal. Oh, she's ready. Yes, oh my God, that was awesome. Me and Grace tag teamed that fish. That was awesome, Grace. I'm literally dropping it right back down because I think there was 2 down there. What the hell? Dad! Dude, it's right there. There's another one. Oh, I just had so many fish come and try to eat this. They look small. I don't even know if those are a peacock, honestly. There's like fish toying with it, but they don't look like, one of them definitely is a peacock, I can see it. But the other ones just look like largemouth. Got one. Oh my God. This is not a peacock. This is a largemouth. Oh man. Well, we're not after largemouth today, but we caught a nice largie. Oh, that's so funny. Whew. Just enough. This is a small. He's a small guy, but he's a fish. Caught a nice little largemouth. 2 species so far today. Even though we're literally only going after peacock, but it's always nice to catch the largemouth. They just don't fight as hard, man. Largemouth like attack a lot harder, but they don't fight as hard as peacock, if that makes sense, because it does to me. Peacock will fight 10 times harder than largemouth, but they don't hit it as hard as largemouth. I don't know. Just a little Becca Yassine input to your life. All right, what's up guys? So I hope you enjoyed today's video. We've been probably fishing for about like 4 hours now, honestly, but we went to a ton of different spots. We found a couple good spots, but it's later in the day now and the fish aren't really biting that much, so it kind of, you know, slowed down a little bit. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. This is episode number 2. I'm not sure what species we're going after next, but peacock bass, man, they fight pound for pound and they are so much fun. I highly recommend coming down to South Florida and getting yourself some peacock bass. It's an absolute blast. So I'll catch you guys next time, and I hope you're enjoying these videos. Also, watch my last video. If you haven't seen my last video yet, please go watch it. I worked really hard on it and it was a blast. So check that one out. Leave this one a like, leave a comment, hit the red subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode.